Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix failed to initialize Direct3D for games in Windows. So first option would be to open up your search and write down check for updates, and you want to make sure and download and install any updates available here. Now if that didn't fix the problem, you also want to update your drivers. So for example, I have NVIDIA graphics card, so I use NVIDIA app to update my drivers. So it's the same for AMD or Intel. You can just download them from the website. And here are drivers, and you can just download them and update your drivers. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, you want to go to your games files. So for example, I have this game here, and you want to go ahead and find the troubleshooting folder and find the dxsetup.exe file. You can also just go to your browser and go ahead and download the DirectX runtime on Microsoft. Just press download. Another method to fix this is to type in Windows features right there. Just open it. From here, you want to go ahead and find legacy components. On legacy components, you want to go ahead and enable DirectX Play. So here it is, and you want to go ahead and just enable it like so and press OK. It will search for required files and enable it. Now, another possible fix would be to go to your documents. So right there, and on documents, you want to go to your game and update your user preferences ini file. So for example, this is how it looks like. You want to go ahead and open this. Once you have opened it, you want to go ahead and search for, so you can go ahead and press find here. Want to search for adapter, and once you will find adapter equals 0, you want to change the adapter from 0 to 1, and after that save this file. Now another fix could be by going into your game files and just deleting the file called dxgi.dll. So if your game has this, you want to go ahead and delete this file. Another thing to do is to download your Microsoft visuals. So it would be Microsoft Visual C++, and you can just search on your system information what type of X you need. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.